hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are returning, again, it means the world to me, so thank you. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do have quite a few active giveaways going on. They will be linked down below, so definitely check them out and enter if you have not already. But as you can see from the title down below, today we have a second Sip Spy for October. That's right, you read it correctly, some pumpkin teas. So I do get this box sent to me for review, and I greatly appreciate that. And this month they reached out and asked if I would like to do a second box of strictly pumpkin teas. And I said, of course, because if you've been following me, you know your girl loves all things pumpkin. So we're gonna get in here. Before I actually get into opening this and showing you these special pumpkin teas, this limited edition box, I do want to tell you briefly what Sip Spy is if you are not familiar. It is a tea subscription, and it is a customized tea subscription. So when you sign up, you go in, you fill out a profile, you let them know if you like caffeinated, decaffeinated, loose leaf tea, bag tea, you know, and then as far as flavors and notes and things like that, you can let them know all kinds of information, and they will make your box custom for you every month, which I think is amazing. And you get 15 or more cups. Usually it's about 15 to 20-ish cups, depending on the size of, like if they send loose leaf tea, sometimes you get more than like 4 cups out of the bag. And it's only $15 a month. That's it. And I do have a promo code, which is SouthernMom5, to save you $5 off your first box. I don't get anything out of it. That is for you guys. So I will put a link down below to Sip Spy and that promo code. So if you'd like some tea, this is the perfect time of year, and you can save $5 off your first box. So like I said, let's get in here and see what this limited edition pumpkin box is all about. I'm so excited, I just like popped my tongue or whatever. All right, so pumpkin teas, yay. Oh my god, look, this is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. So instead of just the hearts and the tea leaves, they actually have little pumpkins here on the paper. How adorable. And normally where it would say made for Nikki, made for fall. I love that. Okay, carving, or I'm thinking of carving pumpkins, craving pumpkin spice and everything nice this time of year? Us too. We love pumpkin spice tea as an alternative to coffee. We've even included a caffeine-free option so you can enjoy your favorite fall flavor any time of day. Oh my gosh, this makes me so excited. Okay, so we're just gonna get into it, and I will read. I love they always include information about each tea and like the temperature to steep it out, how long to steep it, and then more flavorings, like flavor notes about the tea. So, let's just get in here and see. So this first one that I'm pulling up, we have 4 of, and we have gotten teas from this brand before, Davidson's. And this is a pumpkin spice black tea. So there's that guy. And this is organic pumpkin spice Sip Spy Davidson's organic teas. And this says 1 bag per 8 ounces of water at 212 degrees, steep 3 to 5 minutes. It's black tea, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, allspice. It is a high caffeine, a medley of spices and pumpkin essence with a base of pure organic black tea, sourced from family tea gardens in India, served by itself or latte style with milk and sweetener. And that is absolutely what I would do. Is I would do this. I would steep this, make this a hot tea with a little bit of milk and sugar or honey, and yes, especially being that it is pumpkin spice and it is high caffeine, I'm all about it. Because I love caffeine. I do. I love my caffeine. All right, and then we have 4. This is Ticino. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but we have 4 of them. And this is a roasted herbal tea. This one is the caffeine free they were talking about. Pumpkin spice by, it's either Ticino or Ticino. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water. It's 212 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Organic roasted carob, organic barley and chicory, dates, almonds, natural pumpkin spice flavor, organic cinnamon, nutmeg, organic ginger, and cloves. Again, caffeine free. This one will satisfy your craving for a pumpkin spice coffee, but without the caffeine or acidity. Enjoy this seasonal flavor as you celebrate the holidays with family and friends. So that sounds, and this says boutique pumpkin spice, toasty pumpkin notes with a hint of maple. Oh, that sounds good. And this one even talks about add milk or non-dairy milk and sweetener per your preference. So, yum. All right, and then we have, now this is a loose leaf tea. And one thing I love about this subscription is in case you don't have, you know, a little thing you can steep your tea in, they always will send little tea bags you can use if they send you a loose leaf tea. And this is pumpkin spice, Sips by Teas Tea. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, 212 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. Black tea, cinnamon, apple, orange, rosehip pieces, hibiscus, and calendula. It's a high caffeine. Natural pumpkin and cinnamon flavors evoke festive feelings and a home-like comfort. This tea is a full-flavored fall celebration. This sounds really good when like the cinnamon, apple, orange, all of that sounds so amazing. Yeah, that just sounds so amazing. All right, and then our final tea is another loose leaf tea. Pumpkin muffin, Sips by Savory Tea Co. Pumpkin muffin. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, 208 degrees, steep for 5 minutes. Chinese black tea, white chocolate chips, freeze-dried carrots, cinnamon pieces, natural and artificial flavor, high caffeine. Take a sip of this tea and you'll be transported to the pumpkin patch. Sitting on a giant pumpkin, eating a pumpkin muffin. It's your own little pumpkin world in a cup of tea. Y'all. What? Pumpkin muffin. First of all, black tea is my favorite. And then white chocolate chips, freeze-dried carrots, cinnamon. What? Are you for real? Like, does that not just sound amazing? And their description, I love. Take a sip of this tea and you'll be transported to a pumpkin patch, sitting on a giant pumpkin, eating a pumpkin muffin. It's your own little pumpkin world in a cup of tea. I love that so, so much. So, again, we have the loose leaf pumpkin muffin, oh my gosh, tea. We have the loose leaf teas pumpkin spice. We have the bouquet pumpkin spice, and this was the caffeine free. And then we have the Davidson's Organics. Again, another pumpkin spice, but this is a caffeine. So we have one that has no caffeine, and then the other 3 are high caffeine. So I love that. So you can still have your pumpkin spice if you don't want like the, you know, caffeine. But you then still have 3 other amazing options for, y'all, I mean, really? This really should have said made for Nikki. Like, because normally that's what it will say. It says made for fall, but it really should have said made for Nikki because it was. So I think this is fantastic. But yes, this was the Sips by Pumpkin box. So let me know your thoughts down below. I cannot wait to make a cup of tea out of one of these or all of these. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.